What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Today is November 14th, 2022 and our fear and greed is extreme fear. And our crypto bubbles, we are on a red day except TWT. Our coin gecko today, we have Bitcoin is 20% down in the past 7 days. Ethereum is 21% down. BNB is 19% down. And yeah, the crypto market's not really doing great because of this FTX fund. 2 weeks ago we were doing great, and last week because of this FUD, this Black Swan event, some of our trades were wrecked. But I did warn you guys about my post. I post some bearish scenarios for the Solana, FTT. So this is one of my analysis on Bitcoin. This could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And we are on this ABC correction. And if we see this one, this could be our ABC flat. It could be a running flat, but it's supposed to be, it's kind of short though. So it's supposed to be, the rule is above, at least greater than 0.618. But this one is just a little bit above of 0.618. And if this one is ABC correction though, so we are now looking for the wave 1, wave 2. So if this one is wave 1, and I was looking for another flat correction here, expanding flat correction, so this would be your ABC. So this could be 3 waves here, ABC, ABC, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, as of now guys, this is the last support for the bulls. So if we go below 14k, 13k, and we are now looking at different setup. Just in case, this would be the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So as long as we don't pass below 13k, we're still good on this setup. But again, if price of Bitcoin go below 13k, then we have to look for a different setup then. And this is one of my analysis on Bitcoin. I was thinking this would be a triangle here, so A, B, C, D, E. But looks like the ABC, it's already invalidated because it should be ABC. But because of this Black Swan event, the price of Bitcoin went down, so this one is now invalidated. We're not going to refer this chart anymore. So another analysis on Bitcoin, this could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So as long as we don't go below 12k, we are still good for the bulls. This would be, again, this would be the last support for the bulls. And here's my another analysis on Bitcoin. Again, let's go to the monthly chart. So this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this could be, this one is wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So there's 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are now on this fourth wave expanded flat. So that would be ABC. And I mentioned before, there's 3 waves here, ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, as long as we don't go below this 14, 13k, we are still good. If this one is a fourth wave expanded flat, so we have one more chance for the bulls. So that would be my prediction for Bitcoin. So one more chance guys. If not, if we break below this one, we are going for a long bear market. So just to be prepared guys, just prepare yourselves. What are you going to do when we go for a long bear market? If we can see the history, if since December 17, this would be 17, 18, 19, 20. It took 3 years guys to get all-time high. And similar here, from here December 13, November 13 up to here, so that's 13, so that's 4 years guys, 4 years of bear market. So just to let you know, guys, just prepare, guys, just in case we go below 12k, 13k, then what are you going to do? Are you fine waiting for 2 to 5 years to get the all-time high? This all-time high of 74,000? 74,000, I guess. What's the all-time high? 67,000? Are you fine with that? That's the question here. So Ethereum, I could see this could be a triangle here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We still have room here to go to the downside just in case. But there's also a descending channel here. So if we break this one, maybe this is the main trend line. This is the main trend line, guys. We need to break so that we can reach somewhere at 10k. Let's say 10k. You can also check my Naked Crypto group here on Facebook. So this is exactly last year. I predicted from 400k, now it's 100k. QNT. So right now, this is the current one, guys. Right now, Dow Jones already break on this trend line here, channel, but we're still waiting for Nasdaq and S&P to break on this trend line here. If these two breaks out, then bull market begins. If not, bear market. If we failed again, just like last time, if we fail again, then we are bear market continues. So you can check out my post here, guys. There's lots. You can I even predicted this one, Solana. I posted this one from other groups, and lots of people didn't like it. And now what happened? Boom. But Solana right now, current price of Solana, though, we might see $6 because it was affected by this crypto's Black Swan event, or 5 bucks, somewhere there, guys. You can also check my messenger group. I post charts here. People are asking me what coins they want me to do a TA. So there's lots here. 2 weeks ago, we were really smashing it. We've been earning 100%, 200%, just like this. So I said Ethereum will go down, head and shoulders pattern. And what's the current price now? Solana. Ethereum. So there you go, guys. It surpassed my target for Ethereum. There's lots in here, guys. You can just check it out, QNT. And the members are also posting their gains here. It's like this. This is Solana. I said it will go down, and it did. See, those are gains, guys. 129% gain. There's lots here. There's lots, guys. CRO, 116% gain. What else is here? Polkadot, 114% gain. Cheese, 41% gain. So yeah, guys, if you're interested to join the group while still free, just message me, guys. So there you go. There's let's see, 77% gain, 77% gain, 26% gain. Oh, by the way, Bea will be our one of our admin for Naked Crypto. So just to let you know, guys. Oh, here Solana, 91% gain, and some of the guys are posting also their gains here. So if you really want to join the group while still free, just comment down below, guys. Comment down below. So anyway, somebody asked me about cheese. So let's see. Let's visit cheese. So this is my other scenario for cheese. This could be your ABC. And now we're wave 1, wave 2. We're just having a expanding wedge or a megaphone pattern for the wave 2. And this could be a wave 3. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So this let's see if this one will play it out. And another scenario for cheese. We could be on a bullish flag. So this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So let's see guys if this one will play it out, which one will play it out. Let's see. Cheese, there you go, Diego. TWT, okay, Gale. So I posted this one. This is looks like a channel here, ascending channel. So watch out, this is actually a bearish pattern, and but a trend line here, it broke on the trend line, so it popped up right now on the 1 hour chart. This could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I was thinking going for a lower correction, but it went up right now. So let's see, the price will go up here and we might go down here. After here, we might go see the price go down. If the price go up here, then we are lucky, everybody's happy. So she also asked me about Ethereum. It was dropping before, so right now it went up for a bit. So let's see guys, this looks like right now looks like a bullish flag here, so that would be our bullish scenario for Ethereum for now. If not, we'll see the price go down below this price again, $1,069. BNB, I actually post BNB here too from last time, and the price of BNB, I already moved my stop loss, and we're still, it was dropping, but right now it went for a pullback. So let's see guys if we still go down for 219. And of course the current price of Bitcoin, I was thinking maybe lower here, but again guys, it's better not to go lower here, because if not, if we go lower here again, if we get lower here again, then we are going for a long bear market. That's my prediction guys. And link, since here guys, I predicted this crush the guys right now. Chain link, put a sell entry here, and right now we're aiming for $2. If you can see, since right here guys, I've been shorting link since right here, and right now let's see the current price of link, it's $6. This is the previous chart I've been using. Anyway, this one is I posted this one last year, so from 400k now it's 100k. Okay guys, this is all I got. If you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing now, and thank you. You guys are awesome. This is the reason why I make the video, because of you. So make sure you plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care. I love you. Bye bye.